What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will fix a broken Switchblade folding key fob for a GM vehicle, specifically a 2014 Chevy Impala. But it's the same for many other vehicles, including the Cruze, Malibu, Sonnet, Camaro, and Equinox. I fixed two of them for less than $15, and I'll show you how to fix it yourself for a low cost. Because getting a new key fob and having it cut and programmed at the dealership can cost hundreds of dollars. No thanks. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. So, I have two key fobs where the key broke off. This is a common problem after several years of use. The problem is where this key connects to this rotating element. There is a pocket in the rotating element, and the key is inserted and held in place with a roll pin. However, this rotating piece is plastic, and it fatigues and breaks after repeated use. My initial plan was to just replace this part. Unfortunately, I was unable to find just this part, but I did find a 2-pack of replacement key fobs for $14.70. I figured at the worst, if they're junk, I could use the rotating elements, effectively getting two rotating elements for $14.70. That was still worth it to me. So here are the replacement key fobs. They are not GM key fobs, they are generic reproductions. But comparing them to the original key fobs, these replacements seem to be dimensional and functional equivalents. They are the same size and shape, and have the same buttons. There is no text on this side. There is not a Chevy emblem on the back. And the word hold is not embossed on the trunk button. But overall, they're close enough, and I have no complaints, especially for $14.70 for the pair. There are a lot of options for these, and you're welcome to purchase GM key fobs if desired. But in this video, the objective is an inexpensive fix, so I gave these a try. The new key fobs come with a blank key, which is intended to be cut for your vehicle. However, I will just install the existing key from the broken key fob, eliminating this cost. Let's handle it. First, open the key to a position where the roll pin is visible. Then, wedge something in the gap to keep it there. Otherwise, it will flip open and the roll pin will not be accessible. Next, remove the roll pin. I don't have a punch this small to go all the way through, so I got it started with this punch, then pulled it out. Now, remove the blank key. Next, insert the existing key. Then, insert the roll pin. For me, there was too much interference and it would not go in, likely because these are reproductions. I didn't want to risk cracking the plastic by forcing it in, since this weak plastic piece is the whole reason for this procedure in the first place. Taking a look through the hole, you can see the interference from the key. I ended up deciding to take a little bit of material off the backside of the key. Just a little. Now the hole lines up perfect. I got the pin started, then pressed it through with some channel locks. And here we go, all set. And the key is nice and tight and secure. Now it's time to program it. The buttons on the new key fob will not work, and the key also won't work, even though it's the right cut. It needs to be programmed. First, insert the working key and turn the ignition to the on position. Then rotate it back off and remove it. Next, insert the new key and rotate it. You can rotate it to the on position or just start up the vehicle to program it. And you're all set, it's programmed. Let's quickly program the second key so I can show you a message that I missed on the first one. Good key to the on position. Remove. New key to the on position. And look, there's a message saying it has been programmed. It looks like I have 5 keys programmed. The original 2 that broke, the 2 new ones, and a rogue mystery key from before I bought this car. Hopefully no one steals my car with the mystery key. So I have 2 working keys for less than $15. If I ever have a problem with these cheap key fobs, I'll definitely put an update in the video description. But if the cost isn't much more, I'd probably recommend GM key fobs to avoid any possible issues. I'll keep the old ones and the blanks in case they come in handy someday. And that wraps it up. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.